welcome to the Cabinet Solar Storage System by Anbosunny, a leading solution in power management crafted to meet a broad spectrum of needs. One of the main features of the system is state-of-the-art 𝐊𝐶𝐲 batteries known for their safety and durability. With capacities ranging from 5.12 to 20.48 kilowatt hours, it accommodates varying energy requirements, making it suitable for both residential and commercial use. Each unit is equipped with a high-frequency off-grid inverter, ensuring reliable power feed even under challenging conditions. This all-in-one design simplifies the installation process and enhances reliability by reducing potential fitting errors and compatibility issues. Furthermore, the intelligent battery management system optimizes the performance and longevity of each battery cell, providing an efficient and stable supply. The rack architecture allows for streamlined setup and maintenance and maximizes space efficiency. With its robust construction and advanced technology, the Anbosunny storage cabinet delivers a dependable, scalable, and user-friendly solution.